Hey everybody, here's the simple instruction on how to switch out your blade on your circular saw. First things first, you always want to make sure that your saw is unplugged before you do anything. Alright, the next thing you want to do is locate the button that locks your blade in place. On this Ryobi, it's in between the blade and the handle. It's this yellow button right here. Okay, and then you're going to need something to remove this nut. In this case, it's a 9/16 socket, and I have a larger breaker bar to give myself a little extra leverage. Alright, so just firmly press down on that lock-in button. Make sure your socket is securely on the nut, and give it a good spin, and that nut should come right off. And then after that, you can finish it off by just taking it off by hand. Okay, once you've popped your old blade off, you can put the new blade on. You want to make sure that the teeth are going in the same direction as your old blade was. If you get confused, here's one simple trick that can help you put it on the right way each time. Whatever side has the writing on it, have that side facing out. There's no writing on the back of this blade. There's no writing on the back of this blade. Also remember, this little washer has a flat spot, so just match it up with the flat spot right here on the saw, and there's no way you can put it on wrong. Okay, after you've put your bolt back in and tighten it by hand, grab your socket and ratchet, make sure you push down the lock button, and make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, and that's the quick, simple instruction of how to replace the blade on your circular saw. Thank you for watching.